G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're today at a fantastic brand new house and land package at 2 Wallace Court in the popular suburb of Urangan. There is nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that'll come with this home. Let's go and take a look around. Lifestyle is all about choices, and Huntingdale Woods is more than just a new address. It is a way of living which will be envied by all who visit. This brand new, modern, contemporary home includes a generously proportioned and creative floor plan, which has been designed around capturing the lifestyle that comes with Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Positioned on a spacious 830 square metre corner allotment offering 2 street access, this home will be ideal for those looking to accommodate caravans, RVs and boats, with plenty of space to also add a large shed and a pool if desired. Enter and be welcomed by an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics and an open light-filled design with high ceilings throughout. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes and matte black fixtures that really create something special. There is definitely more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The stylish kitchen really does form the heart of this home and includes a huge island bench for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and special occasions. You will immediately notice those beautiful stone bench tops and decorative glass splashback with loads of storage drawers and high quality appliances, which include the freestanding stainless steel oven with 5-burner gas cooktop, range hood, dishwasher and a butler's pantry complete this stylish entertainer's delight. The vast open plan dining and living area includes a cleverly integrated study nook or media station and seamlessly connects with the coveted north-facing outdoor alfresco entertaining area, the ideal place to enjoy your morning cuppa while watching the sunrise and enjoying a cool beverage at the end of the long day. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as switching on the reverse cycled air conditioning systems across the main living area and also the main bedroom. You also have a separate lounge or media room so everyone has their own space to enjoy the latest blockbusters or their favourite television shows. There are 4 spacious bedrooms across this home, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes, with 3 of these actually being walk-in. The main bedroom includes a large walk-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite with beautiful double vanities, and you've also got that split system air conditioning and a ceiling fan. The main bathroom includes floor-to-ceiling tiles, shower and a decadent bath, plus those stylish vanities again. There is also a separate toilet and powder room. The laundry includes loads of storage and bench space, plus direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. Opportunities to purchase into Huntingdale Woods are running out, with the final stage now under construction. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.